Oh man, is this cool. These are the Unreal Air, and they are augmented reality glasses that actually work with iPhone. Welcome everybody to Apple Insider. It is Andrew here, and I seriously have to thank Xreal for sponsoring this video because they sent me these glasses just to test out for the last couple weeks, and I am hooked. These things are incredible AR glasses that literally work for everybody now. Whether you've got an Android device and they just plug in over USB-C, or you are an iPhone user, they even work on Mac. It's insanely cool. The glasses look incredible. They're nice and lightweight, super comfortable, very adjustable. Inside of each eye, they have these micro OLED displays with up to 60 Hz refresh rate at full 1080p HD. When you're wearing these glasses, they can display a screen that is the equivalent of up to a 201-inch display. That is nuts, just right there, hanging out in front of your face. The Xreal Air do have built-in speakers. They're situated just above each ear, and it makes it pretty easy to hear whatever it is that you're watching or listening to. But what's even cooler is for iPhone users, you can use your AirPods at the same time. So throw these on, you don't need to use the open air speakers, you just pop in your AirPods, your brand new AirPods Pro, whatever it is, and you can listen to your audio in really nice in-ear speakers while seeing everything up on that 201-inch display. It is such a beautiful combination. Apple has been rumored to be launching its own augmented reality glasses, but it still doesn't seem like it's anytime soon. But in all those conversations, everyone always asks is, what are they really going to be used for? And that was my initial thought when the Xreal Air showed up. These are super cool, but what am I going to really use them for primarily? And even though they can do so much, I found two big things that I found these most useful for. And that's playing games and working out. Take gaming. I've got my iPhone 13 Pro here. I connect it using the Xreal adapter, which plugs into Apple's own AV adapter. Then I connect up the Xreal Air via USB-C. Then I go ahead and launch whatever game it is I want to play and get going. And I'm looking at it straight through my glasses. Let's go ahead and play some Jetpack Joyride. Here I am right now, playing some Jetpack Joyride. Blasting some robots right out of the sky. I can see my surroundings. I'm playing the game. This is so cool. Such a bigger screen. It's like playing on a massive television versus the tiny screen on my iPhone 13 Pro. Or maybe some racing games. Here is the version of Asphalt 8 Plus that's available on Apple Arcade. This is, again, oh man, this is so cool to see this on glasses versus your iPhone screen. It is so much more immersive than it is on the tiny screen. This is incredible. Oh, this is incredible. This is so much better to play games with. And here's what I do for workouts. I prefer cycling. So I'll spin up Apple Fitness Plus on my iPhone, throw on the Unreal Air glasses, and watch the fitness class in augmented reality while I'm spinning on the bike. It is so cool, so easy to do, and so much better than using the TV that's far away, not where the bike is, and just not nearly as convenient. Plus, then you can do fitness classes from anywhere. Whether you want to do yoga or spinning or even weights, you can do them while wearing these augmented reality glasses and being aware of your surroundings. So this is the Xreal adapter. Basically, it has a little HDMI spot on one side and USB-C on the other. You can pop out the actual USB or the HDMI part, connect in the Apple adapter, and boom, you're good to go on your iPhone. If you're a big mobile gamer, you can get as fancy as you want. You actually don't even need to worry about your iPhone. You can set your iPhone down and then pick up a wireless Bluetooth controller. So you can game just using the controller and your headset. Keep your iPhone in your pocket, anywhere else, while you're playing. You don't even have to hold it. So the Xreal Air is available on Amazon in the US right now to order. So you can pick it up for $379 and you get everything that you need. You have a travel case, which makes it super easy to take these things with you wherever you go. You get the Xreal Air glasses themselves, replacement nose pieces so you can find what's the most comfortable for you. Inside the case, it actually can hold things such as the cable to plug it in. If you want to use your iPhone with it, you need to use the Unreal adapter. This is an additional purchase though, so make sure you grab one of these. These are also up for pre-order on Amazon if you want to use this with your iPhone. But other than that, use this guy, get Apple's AV adapter, and you are all set to go. Thank you again to Xreal for sponsoring this video. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm going to go jump into another round of Call of Duty.